Hello. One fart burns approximately 67 calories. Farting 52 times in one day can burn a pound of fat. A person farts 20 times in a day, so you lose a pound of fat every 3 days just by farting. That's 11.5 pounds a month. There's a new food and fitness fad sweeping across the nation. This trend is called Bush's Baked Beans Booty Belching Diet. The way to increase the caloric burn is to increase the amount of effort exercised with each output. This means push them out. Forced farting is beneficial for fat loss. The muscles that surround the butthole are called sphincters. Sound is the effect caused by vibration. It is the sphincter's vibration that causes the fart noise. Imagine a loud whistle. A person blows really hard over their bottom lip. The tighter the bottom lip is pulled, the more shrill the sound. The concept is the same for farting, with the lips being the sphincters. A fart is nothing more than a high-tech butt whistle. The mouth is the butthole of the face. You anus mouth. The loud, high-pitched ones are health farts. Muscles are being flexed, effort is being exerted, calories are being burned, weight is being lost. Also, beans are an excellent source of protein. Protein builds muscle. Muscle accelerates the metabolism. 20 hours after the last of the beans are eaten, the beans are pooped out and the diet ends. The farting effect of the beans lasts only a few hours longer. However, the muscles take a while to atrophy, so the metabolism will stay accelerated and the diet will continue helping even after it is done. Before this atrophy is allowed to occur, the beans will be replaced and this butt cheek bonanza will resume.